What's crazy to me is the market watches this play out repeatedly and just kind of shrugs, continuing to buy what is now known as the Elon trade, despite the repeated failures, double dealing, stock manipulation, and general shitbaggery. Some people watched Musk's strategy pay off and decided to take it further, not just lying about products, lying about money. Over the course of 4 years, from 2019 to 2023, Microsoft invested $13 billion in OpenAI. Microsoft also operates a cloud computing product called Azure. Azure, conveniently for Microsoft, also represented approximately 55% of OpenAI's total operating expenditure. Through the first 3 quarters of 2025, OpenAI's cumulative Azure consumption reached approximately $12.43 billion, roughly 96% of Microsoft's total investment returned as guaranteed cloud revenue. But here's the catch. The initial $1 billion invested by Microsoft into OpenAI was split between cash and Azure credits. $500 million in capital, $500 million in Azure credits. Microsoft booked that $500 million in Azure credits provided in exchange for OpenAI equity as Azure services revenue. OpenAI then books those credits as an operating expense, validating their burn rate to justify the next capital raise. In layman's terms, Microsoft and OpenAI have built a financial loop where invested dollars flow back as revenue, and current accounting standards can't distinguish it from organic market demand. And the cherry on top of this circular manipulation, the accountants are now getting in on the act. Microsoft is using an accounting treatment called the equity method to justify this to auditors and shareholders. The only problem? They don't qualify for that treatment because Microsoft has neither voting rights nor board control, which normally would disqualify it from using equity method accounting. Yet they're still booking most of OpenAI's losses as their own expense.